Hi everyone and welcome on this episode on the Business AI features as part of the SAP Discovery Center. So I often refer to the Discovery Center as the place to be for the business technology platform services. But in the meantime, it has evolved also beyond that even, because if we look at the Business AI features, then it's not just about business technology platform, but it's also even about where is artificial intelligence available within your SAP products and which scenarios exist and what can I actually use and what can it cost me in terms of the cost estimation of those services. So let's have a look. So this is now the fourth tile that you see here on the home screen. Or if you're logged in, you can see them over here. So if we have a look at the catalog, then it will be a catalog of all the artificial intelligence use cases within SAP. So you have here on the left side, you have categorization, new and featured, embedded or not, using an agent or not. You also have product categories, but you also on the top have really products. So if I say here, okay, I want to have a look at, let's say now S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition, then I can see that there are 16 AI features and I can have a look at those and actually see how I can do that. So if I say Joule with SAP S/4HANA Public Cloud, then I will get an explanation. Again, always the same kind of framework in terms of how it works. On the right side, you can get the official SAP resources, and then you can also see here which related AI features are available, and also a link to the Roadmap Explorer. So here, of course, again, what is useful is the initial setup, because it will take you to the official documentation of SAP. So similar to the BTP services, you also have here again the way to actually get this installed and all the steps that you need to take in terms of getting this into your system. And in this case, there is no button here for an estimator because it's included in the product, and you can actually use the AI assistant and it's part of your license. So there is no cost associated to this right now at this moment. What else do I need to show? Then we have a look also at the AI estimator. So if you have a use case where you do have an AI feature that costs money, let's now say we want to use document grounding, which means that our AI agent or AI assistant can read out documents like a core policy or something like that. And in terms of interpreting that and then answering questions of users, then I can see, okay, I need to fill in here the records. So individual data object of supported file types. So how many will I have? Let's say I have 50. And then it should here say, okay, capacity unit value. If I have 50 records, then it's multiplied by an AI unit and it will cost me €7. And then on a yearly base, it will be €84. So depending on how much records you have, if I say I have 5,000, it will be €2,100 a year, for example. So again, this is the same principle as the other calculator. So it can be straightforward if it's understandable what they're actually asking. But you might have to, again, look into more details in terms of what it actually is. And as you could see, I can also here click on document grounding and go to the feature and then also read up on this in terms of what it means and how to set it up. And I've said this before, but it's really a good place to start in terms of understanding the service to a better extension, getting more knowledge about the services. And if needed, you can ask questions to SAP or in the community in terms of clarifying what it actually means. Or, of course, if you can try it out, you can also try it out, and then you will also notice it yourself, and you can figure it out from there as well. All right, so I think we covered most of the important features. So the other features, it's something that you can read up, of course, customer stories, related resources, and so on. So you have a lot of links also to other useful information. And also even things like the BTP guidance framework, which we already discussed in another video. So it's a really good place to start exploring what BTP can do for you, what AI can do for you, and then also dig more into all these kind of services and information from SAP. All right, thanks for watching and see you guys in the next episode.